Hey guys, welcome to Shekar Tech YouTube channel. Now today we are going to discuss about problems in KVL. Okay, let us see, this is one problem. KVL problem 1. So find the potential difference between A and B in the given circuit. So this is a given circuit. So we have to suppose to find potential difference between VA and VB. So just the circuit is given and just you have to find potential difference. Nothing but voltage. Okay. So don't get confused, it's very simple circuit. And so this is a circuit. So this circuit, how many voltage sources are there? So this is a closed path, so we have to apply Kirchhoff voltage law for only closed path. So this is the closed path, and this closed path is having one voltage source and 15 ohm resistance, 10 ohm resistance, and 5 ohm resistance. So this is a one closed path. Okay, next, what is the closed path? This is a one closed path. Okay, one voltage source and 6 ohm resistance, 4 ohm resistor, and 10 ohm resistance. So this is a one closed path. So this is not a closed path. Okay, so it is a open. So this is a circuit. What is asking? Find the potential difference between A and B in the given circuit. So this is the A terminal. What is it's called? Node. Okay, this is a node, and node, this is a node B. So we have to find potential difference between node A and node B. Potential difference nothing but what? Voltage. So nothing but difference, nothing but VA minus VB. So that is the difference. So we have to find VA minus VB. So then start the procedures one by one. So step 1. So step 1, let us see A, C, D, E, F, G, B. So this is a one path. A, C, D, E, F, G, B. This is a one path. It's going from A to B. And next C. A, E, F, G, B. A, E, F, G, B. We can also go like this. And next A, E, F, H, and B. So we can also move like this. These are the paths to go from so A to B. So these are the paths. Now let us see. First, find the voltage coming from the battery 1. So this is a battery, and this voltage V1 is given. You have to find current I1. What is the current I1 is coming from? This I1 is equal to the voltage divided by this resistance. So these three resistors are connected in series. Therefore, I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. I1 is equal to 30 volts divided by these three resistance, because these three resistors are connected in series. Therefore 5 plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 30, is equal to 30 divided by 30. So it gives 1 ampere. So now this battery is giving 1 ampere of current. Okay, next. Similarly, so find the current coming from this battery. So that nothing but I2. What is the I2 formula? V2, 20 divided by these three resistors that are connected again in series. Therefore, this I2 is equal to 20 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 10. So this 20 divided by 20 gives 1 ampere. So I2 also 1 ampere. So now this is the I1 current and I2 current. In step 2, this is the step 1. In step 2, so just read the circuit diagram. So what you have to find? VA minus VB, potential difference. So when you redraw this circuit diagram from this circuit diagram, this is a virtual diagram, okay, and this is a virtual diagram, and therefore, so I am taking care about this VA and VB. Therefore, and this VA like this, and this VB. So just I redraw the circuit diagram. So this is the VA. 1 ampere is coming from this source V1, and this is 15 ohms. And what is the 15 ohms? This one. So I'm moving like this. I'm moving from A to B. So I'm moving from A to B, and therefore VA and I1 is coming, and this I1 is flowing like this, and this 15 ohm, this is 5 volts battery, and this is 4 ohm resistance and 20 volts. So again we are moving from till this point B. So this is the circuit diagram for the voltage drop. So now let us see how to apply this Kirchhoff voltage law for this circuit. So VA minus, so why it is VA plus? Because VA assumed that higher potential. So VA higher potential, therefore this is plus and this is minus, simply we can say, because then only we will get the difference. So therefore VA is positive, then higher potential, minus 15 into I1. So this is what is I1, current is coming. So voltage drop. So in between A and B you have to find voltage drops plus voltage source is equal to 0. That is the Kirchhoff voltage law. So VA minus I1 into 15 minus 5 volts. Again this is the voltage source moving from higher potential to lower potential. Therefore this will be the minus 5 and 0. So here across this 4 ohms the no current is flowing, because this is a one circuit, then this another circuit in previous circuit. So as I told you, so this will become a open. So this will become a open and there is no current. So this is a one closed path. So we have to apply Kirchhoff voltage law only closed path. This is the closed path. This is the closed. So that's why here in open circuit the voltage will be there but current is 0. Therefore, when current is 0, then voltage drop also 0. So current into some voltage will get something into 0, some 0. So we are not going to take anything here across the 4 ohm resistance. Okay, this is done. Next, minus 20 volts. Again, we are moving from our direction higher potential to lower potential. So this will becomes again negative. Plus, so this is a minus and we are moving from negative to positive. So we have to take plus I2 into 10. So already we calculated this I1 is equal to how much? I1 is equal to 1 ampere, I2 is equal to 1 ampere. So I just substitute in this equation. VA minus 15 into I1 1 ampere and minus 5 volts and minus 20 and 10 into I2 again 1 ampere. So minus VB is equal to 0. So here we have to write minus VB is equal to 0. So just rearrange the equation V1, VA minus 15 into 1 minus 5 minus 20 plus 1 into 10 minus VB equal to 0. Just rearrange it, VA minus VB is minus 15 and so this is minus 5, this minus 5 and this minus 15 minus 20 plus 10 is equal to 0. VA minus VB, this becomes 40 minus 40 plus 10 is equal to 0. VA minus VB is equal to 40 minus 40 plus 10 minus 30. VA minus VB is equal to 30. This is the answer. So what is the potential difference between VA and VB? 30 volts. So this is the one kind of problem. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment, and so I'll give reply, I'll explain you, and thank you so much.